If you have money in your Cash App balance but don't have your Cash App card with you, don't worry, we are going to show you several ways you can still spend your Cash App balance. And the easiest option is Cash App Pay. Many merchants and businesses now accept Cash App Pay. When you're checking out, look for the Cash App Pay option or ask the cashier if they accept it. Open the Cash App, tap the Cash App Pay, and scan the merchant's QR code. And of course, you can also use your own QR code, which gives them your dollar cash tag. After that, confirm the payment and the money will come directly from your Cash App balance, so you don't need your physical Cash App card. Okay? So another option is to pay business directly through their dollar cash tag. Many small businesses, online sellers, and independent vendors list their dollar cash tag for payments. So for you to do that, you need to open the Cash App, tap the Pay button, search for the business's dollar cash tag, enter the payment amount, and make sure your Cash App balance is selected as the funding source. Tap Pay to complete the transaction. It's a very quick and convenient way to send payments without using a card. Now, if a store doesn't accept Cash App directly, what you can do is you can send money to someone you're with. For example, you can send the payment to a friend or maybe a family member through the Cash App, and then they can use their own card or another payment method to pay that store or restaurant. This is useful when splitting restaurant bills or sharing expenses with others. It's a simple workaround when Cash App isn't accepted at checkout. And of course, you can also use Cash App balance for certain online purchases. So visit any store that accepts Cash App card payments. A helpful tip is to look for the Afterpay payment option during checkout, as some merchants use it to support Cash App payments. So for example, one store that I like is Tommy Hilfiger. So for example, we're gonna check out an item, add it to your cart, choose the size. Let's say we're gonna have this, add it to our bag. And then on the checkout page, okay, you will see the available payment methods. If Cash App, you see this, or Afterpay is supported, simply select it and follow the prompt to complete your purchase. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.